Now, time for Fox Carolina weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
And as we continue to watch the radar this morning, we have a few showers across the upstate, mainly south of downtown Greenville, approaching the Simpsonville region in the southern part of the county. We're also watching a couple of other downpours in the river valleys of northeast Georgia and the far southern upstate, one just north of Elberton there, producing some pretty heavy rain. But in large part, most of us are not seeing rain so far this morning. On the big picture here, we've got scattered showers across our region. Yes, still watching this feature crossing over Alabama and Georgia. I still think that will kind of kick up the storm activity a little more later on today. You can see that where it's warmer already, and some of this warmer air is expected to travel northward. We've got 70 at both Greenville and Asheville, 82 in Macon, and then the dividing line between the two there in Atlanta at 72. Close to 80 today, warm, very humid, showers and thunderstorms possible, if not likely at times this afternoon. Same thing for the mountains, reaching the upper 70s later in the day. Futurecast pretty much showing here what we're going to be expecting, and it's going to be this afternoon that we'll watch for some stronger development once we get a little bit more heating in store for us. And that will continue at times this afternoon, but again, not everybody sees the wet weather, and the latest computer models actually showing the chance for some things to die down around sunset, which is possible. Other earlier runs were showing potential storms continuing for some past sunset, and in this unsettled pattern, it really could go either way. We'll just have to be on guard for scattered showers and storms really from now all the way through the rest of the evening. We start the day dry tomorrow, but more in the way of scattered shower and thunderstorm activity will be with us. Not everywhere, and you can see it on rain totals here as we kind of look at our computer model. It's showing 0 up to almost an inch, and that's a very good representation of what we're expecting. Some of you get some really heavy rain, and some of you may not see it drop. Now, by Sunday, I think everybody sees no drops. We're going to be finally dry for several days into next week. Looks like the first several days of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week looking good. We will crank up the heat levels just a bit by Wednesday as afternoon highs reach the upper 80s.